The runners at the 2016 NCRunners Elite Cross Country Invitational were in for a treat as Hurricane Matthew made its way and flooded the course with mud everywhere and strong winds. In fact, it was so bad Nicole was the only runner on her team that ran in the race.
Go, Nicole! Looking strong. I think you're 18th. I think you're number 18. Come on, Nicole, 2 mile mark. $14:37, number 19. Now focus this last mile. Stick with that girl in front of you. Go, go. You got about less than a mile to go. Stick with her. Come on, you can do this. You got it. Number 19. 19. Less than half a mile, Nicole. Hammer in, hammer in. Go, go, go. Good job.
Nicole had a great race, accomplishing her goal, finishing in the top 20 and winning a medal in 23:02.